Alright, let's talk about layers. Normally when you're painting in a paint program, at least simple ones, everything occurs on the same layer. So it makes it hard if you're doing any kind of advanced drawing where some things need to be behind, or you have different levels of your drawing. Inchworm has the concept of layers that people who use Photoshop might be familiar with. If you hit the Y button, you toggle between the color controls and sort of the layer and animation controls. Here we have our current layer, and if you tap that little dot, it turns it on and off. I'm going to clear the screen. Let's see. So I'm going to draw something into this layer, and let's see, fill it in. Now what I'm going to do is go in and make a new layer, and I'm going to put it behind the first layer. Now anything I draw is going to go onto the second layer, which is separated. So now I can sort of draw these buildings in the background, and it leaves the first layer intact. In Inchworm you can have up to 6 different layers, and you can position them however you want. So now I just added a new layer which is on top. So I can give this guy a little hat. And notice that even though I have underdraw on, I can draw underneath my blue lines but still stay on top of the other layers. So I'm going to load a picture up from the card now that I did earlier. This is a picture that has several layers. As you select a different layer, they flash to show you which one you're working on. You can turn them on or off. And notice this picture is actually larger than the DS screen. Using the hand or the move tool up here, you can scroll around on an image that's many times larger than the 256 by 192 DS screen. Whichever layer is selected, that's the layer that you're drawing to or adding to.